Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of gaming chairs with the Cooler Master Caliber X2. Let's see if this chair lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk about design. The Cooler Master Caliber X2 comes in two sleek colorways, with a high-back racing-style design that's both stylish and professional. Whether you're gaming or working, this chair blends seamlessly into any setup. Assembly is a breeze with the Caliber X2. Everything you need comes neatly packed in the box. And with just an Allen wrench, you'll have your chair ready to go in no time. Plus, the included installation video makes the process even easier. Now, let's talk comfort and customization. The Caliber X2 offers a range of adjustments, from 4D armrests to a 180-degree recline. Whether you're working at your desk or kicking back for a gaming session, you can find the perfect position for maximum comfort. One thing I love about the Caliber X2 is its premium materials. The breathable PU leather keeps you cool during long sessions, and it's easy to clean up spills and messes. Plus, the sturdy aluminum base and 75mm casters ensure stability and durability. So, what's the verdict? The Cooler Master Caliber X2 offers style, comfort, and versatility at an affordable price. However, the thick headrest may not be to everyone's liking, and some users may miss the forward tilt feature. But overall, this chair is a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable gaming chair on a budget. That wraps up our review of the Cooler Master Caliber X2. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy gaming!